probably my favorite plant. If I had to pick one plant, or at least within the top 3 plants, would be the Annabelle Hydrangea. It loves full sun. It blooms June and July and into August. You can dry the flowers. And this in front of me, which is probably 30 feet wide, started out as 5 plants. And over 40 years, it has slowly spread with very few weeds, a few daffodils, and a few shrubs, and it's filled in the area quite well. Now, in the back part of the garden, I have the taller Annabelle Hydrangea stems, and here is one you can look at, and it is tall, and I prune the back area here at about a foot high. But I'm going to show you another way to prune them, and when you prune them really hard, you'll get even bigger heads. These hydrangeas in the front that are in front of the daffodils, I'm going to cut short. I'm going to cut them down to 1 bud, not like this, which had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buds. And by cutting them short, I get much bigger flowers. So the flowers in the back, there were more flowers, they were smaller, but when you cut them really short, it produces 1 stem with bigger flowers. So sometimes I wear knee pads, sometimes not, but I'm going to come in, and with the hand shears, if you just had a little bit or a few hydrangea, you can come in and prune them what I did here is I cut this stem longer than normal. But when I prune it, there's 1 bud right here. So when I prune these, I'm not going to prune it right to the soil level, probably about 2 inches above ground level, I'm going to prune them. So what I am going to do, and you can't find these anymore, these are fantastic. It is a great shears, and I'm just going to come in. It's quite forgiving. And I'm cutting these to 1 inch. You can even rake them. I love pruning these hydrangea, and I can't wait till they send up new flowers and bloom June, July, and August. Join me next time in the garden.
Email your garden questions to viette@viette.com.